This is SOXL. I'm going to take a 10-minute chart and break down how you can trade this. Minus 4.75%. So from yesterday, we're up close to 36. We had to move down right to 34. Now, when you see this come all the way down, it's holding 34 line. And when you say lines, you hear this a lot in trading. This is the line, 34 line. You go below, this is the 33.50 line. So, and you can put a quarter in here. This would be a quarter, but make it smaller. I'm just trying to, so there's less lines. So 34, you buy here because it's holding this line. It's starting to come down. You see this? It's sort of like the move from yesterday late is starting to fade out. So you take your shot here at 34, and then this is little moves right now. It's pre-market. It goes up, sell at 34.50 because you're at that line, 34.50. It starts to go down. Could be even like you wait and see the next candle. So like 34.39. All right, the next move. So you know, we're going down here at the open. You always got to watch the open. This was this candle here. Let's see, 9:40. So you just have to open 5-10 minutes, maybe even 15 minutes. You're gonna have a lot of volatility at the open. So what happens here? Red candle, you're going up. Now this was actually green when it was going on, and then it reversed. 34 is a short right here at today's open line. Does not hold, does not go through. So we go all the way down, and it's a cover right here, 32.50. Now the reason why, when you have this move all the way down here, and look at the cross, the bottom pattern. When you have a cross, the bottom pattern, that's a change of direction. You look up any textbook of candles, and that's what happens. So we go 32.50, we go all the way up to 33. There's your sell. Now, oh, there's the cover. Excuse me. This was the cover, and then you buy back in on this green candle. Now this was iffy. This is only a 10-minute chart. You can get a 5-minute chart. It'd probably be a few candles right here. But when you see this, after this candle comes in green, and the low here was 32.33. So, this goes up to 32.50. You're looking at your lines, you're buying. Then you have a sell here at 33, because all these green candles right here. And what happens is it going up? Wait here maybe even. Doesn't happen. Another red candle comes in. You take your profit 33. All right. Then we have another short go in here at 33 because it's not breaking up. You see the move down, up, but it's not breaking through this trend line. You put a trend line right down here, it's basically not breaking through. So you go up to 33, there's a short. Now you have these green candles in here, but if you have a 33 short, you got to give it at least 25, 50, whatever you play. Maybe give it longer if you're a longer term trader on how you day trade. But just for example, so 33, and it goes all the way down, 32.50, there's your cover. Now on this, now you're looking at this 32.50 line, and then you have a green candle, another green candle, another one. So it looks like that short move is over. We're starting to trend up. So here's 32.50, and then look what happens here. We start to go up, and we go all the way up to 30. Was the high here? 33.83. Now on this move here, again, this is a good move. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 green candles in a row. Now on these little moves, a 10-minute chart, 5-minute, whatever you use, you have a big red candle come in after this run. You want to take profit. So you have 50. That's a $1 move from here. That is great on ETFs. Now ETFs will be different than penny stocks. They can move $10. So I've done this for like over a year plus now, just like looking at ETFs. I've been doing this. That's why if you look at my YouTube and all this, a lot of ETFs, like NVIDIA too, a handful of about 10, 15 stocks in ETFs, to understand the patterns on these. So when you get 50 cents to $1 on these, it's great. If you get a $2, $3, $4, $5 day in a market has tremendous volatility, that is awesome. So 32.50, we go all the way up. Now here comes in the red candle, and this high right here, 33.77. We start to creep down, 33.50. Once you start going down, even slightly below that, after these candles, you take your profit. You have $1 profit. And look what happened after that green candle. But it doesn't matter. You want to take profit, even 50 cents, $1 right here. So, and this was a great day for some moves. Now, it didn't go all the way up, like a straight line up, momentum, or today wasn't a big day for swing, to like a massive swing. We've had that up and down. It was generally, this is like an average day. So, you had one move, call this 2 moves, possible 3, 4, 5 moves today. Now, when you're trading realistically, If you can get 1 or 2 moves, I would say this is for the average trader, not a millionaire trader, whatever they're trading from. You can make 500 to 1,000 plus, we'll say. That is great on 1 or 2 moves, maybe even more. Maybe you get 2,000 plus. So, that is tremendous if you can do that. And you don't have to hit all these moves. You're just looking for a few moves. So, here it is again. So, looking back at this. Take this, save it. Study these moves. So you see, like you see a cross here, you're going to see the trend. There's many things to look for. First thing I would say look for on the day, like this is semiconductors. Excuse me, look at the semiconductor index. What's it doing? From yesterday, this was a short. Is anything like changing? Is this going up, change of direction? Not yet. Hasn't happened. This is going down. It did bounce a little bit, but the whole move is basically down. So that's what you look at on that. Now look at the daily chart on this. If you can see here, you can see all that. But once this move was up and then we had a sideways move, it's a lot of indecision now. We're going back and forth. We did have that big gap up, but it didn't break out. A lot of people thought we were just going to go up on Friday. It didn't happen like that. We had a lot of volatility. Stochastics from the low was going up. It's still showing very bullish sign here, which is kind of strange because this isn't going up. This should be much higher to me, but it doesn't matter. We'll see what happens next week on this. Go back to the 10-minute. All right, so you can see here, it was tremendous moves today. 5 moves. Now, on ETFs, I would say on a given day, so I've looked at, consistently, I've been doing this for over a year just to watch these moves. I would say the average, you're going to get probably like 3 to 5 moves. Sometimes I've counted 10. Maybe on a slow day, you get 2 like really good moves. So the moves are here on this. It's higher priced ETFs, way less, I would call it gyration than penny stocks, where penny stocks will go up. This it'll go here, 36 come back. Like they don't match these lines very well. All the algos on these ETFs are going to go pretty much to these lines, 34, 34, 50. They're not going to make any kind of weird move. Most likely, with penny stocks, you're getting all over moves. So you're getting like 34. Then it'll come here, then it'll drop, then it'll zigzag back up, then it'll just go flat, then drop, then bounce up. That's why it's the hardest to trade in the industry of day trading is penny stocks. So you got to be aware of that. All right, so this is it. Little lesson on SOXL today. I thought I'd do this. I was trying to look at different things to do, and this is pretty good education on this. So check it out, save it. That's it. Please subscribe to Mike Cayman Trades on YouTube. Smash the like button. What else? TikTok, Mike J, Cayman Trades. X, Mike J Trades. And Instagram, all the good stuff. Peace.